Can you see the spiders? I was standing here trying to fish, and all of a sudden I started seeing that there was like a million spiders crawling around. I don't know if you can see them. Can you see them? They're like everywhere. They're creepy. Megally creepy. Look at them. I don't know what they are, but they're freaking me out. Bizarre. I don't know what the deal is, and I don't even know if it'll show up. But yeah, pretty creepy when all I wanted to do was fish. Oh, there was a bite. Did you see that? I think that's where I'm going to put my pole in.